In this video, we're going to talk about the Tool Options menu, which is found here just below your main toolbar. And what you'll find for Tool Options is that, of course, there's nothing shown here at the moment. However, if I turn on a tool, such as, let's say, the Create Star Shape tool, now I have tool options that relate to that tool. And that's what you'll find is that your tool options are interactive and they'll change depending on the tool you're using and the type of object you have selected. So let me go ahead and draw, just click and drag to draw this star shape. And what you'll see is that I can control things like the number of rays or the start angle or the ray size. And so if I change the number of rays, it will update my star to have 4 points or 5 points or 6 points or however many points you want your star to have. If you change the start angle from 90 to, let's just make it 45, changes the rotation of it. If I change the ray size from 60 to, let's say, 40, it'll update the shape of my sort of rays of this star shape. And so those are the tool options that relate specifically to this star. Now, if I finish creating the star by simply clicking back on the rectangle selection tool, and I still have my star selected now, but I'm no longer creating it, I have it selected. And so notice now the tool options are much greater because now I have not just the options here with the number of rays. I can still go in and change the number of rays or the start angle or the ray size. But now I also have other options like the XY coordinates or the physical size or the scale. So if I wanted to change it, 110% bigger, whatever. If I want to duplicate it, mirror image, control the outline width. So what you'll find is that these tool options are interactive. So if I click on my toolbar to let go of that shape, I have no tool options. If I come over here and choose to create a different type of shape, so maybe choose, a polygon, then it shows me the tool options for the Polygon tool, which are simply the number of sides and the start angle. So you draw your polygon. If you want to change the number of sides, you just change it. And so that is what tool options are for, and you'll find that they change depending on the type of tool you use. The information in here is interactive and will update to relate to specifically the tool or the segment that you have selected.